Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Today we're going to start talking about the gear icon and the different settings that are available. If you remember from a couple episodes ago, we talked about the gear icon being up here in the top. When you click it, you'll have several different options along the side here, and we're going to cover each of these individually one by one. So today we're going to start on branding, or your brand-specific settings. And this is all the settings that affect how your brand shows to your clients or your customers. So the first thing here is uploading a logo. We've already done that when we set up our brand, but if we need to change it, we would just click this pencil button here and we could change our logo at any time. Brand info, I've already put in my brand colors, so if you have a dominant color like this, like I have my purple here, and you know the hex code, you can just type it in here, or if you want, you can also just use the scroll bar to pick your colors, pick your shade, whatever you need to pick the right color for your branding. And this color information will actually show up in your buttons. So on forms or in emails, when you've got a button that you're sending, a link that you're sending, this is where that color is going to come into play. So whatever your brand color is, whatever your dominant brand color is, you want to put that in here. Name, this is your business name, so whatever your business is called or what people know you by, and if you need to change it, you can change it here as well. Notification email, I've put in actually a different email address than my login email, and this is where my, if I want to receive updates from Dubsado, any alerts or notifications, those are going to come to this email address, not my login address. Phone number, mailing address, this is all information that we had already added to Dubsado when we first created our account. Email from name, so anytime a customer receives an email from you that's coming from Dubsado, you can have the sender name be either your name or your business name. And the difference here is really going to depend on your audience. Are they going to expect to see an email from your name? Or do they not really know any individuals in your company, but they just know your company name and that's what they're going to expect? So there's no right or wrong answer here. It really just depends on your customers and what they're going to expect to see in their inbox. And you can change that if you need to. You can toggle that back and forth. Any changes that you make in here, you want to make sure that you click the Save button in order to make sure those changes do save. Now if you change your color here and you don't see it immediately in any of your buttons, just give it a few minutes. Sometimes it just takes some time to process it on the servers, and then just refresh and keep trying, but it should show up after a couple of minutes. And that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future tidbits, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links in the description below this video or visit my website, sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.